accounting class. Today we want to prepare creditors ledger control account. When we talk about creditors ledger control account, we're simply talking about putting items together that belongs to the supplier, our credit supplier. So that's about creditors ledger control account. We can use it to find the errors that have affected our trial balance or errors that have affected our account. So let's see how it goes. So the first stage is to open the ledger. So to open the ledger, we're going to have creditors control account. Creditors control account. So on the debit side, we have the debit side, the credit side. Date, details, the amount. Date, details, the amount. So, for ABC Limited, January 2021. So we start from the 1st of January. So we have 1/1/24. There's creditor ledger control account balance, which is 72,700. That's going to be a credit balance. So for 01/01/24, we have our balance brought down. We change the marker. So we have our balance brought down. Balance brought down. Amount 72,700. 72,700. Then creditors ledger control account balance. On the debit side, we have balance brought down for 1,240, 1,240. Then there's discount received. Discount received is also a debit balance. So we have discount received. Discount received. For discount received is 2,345. 2,345. Then we have purchases including cash purchases. Cash, because this is a creditors control account, so we only have to record credit purchases, not cash purchases. So what do we do here? We have the total purchases, which is 198,900. We take away the cash purchases from it. So we have. We have calculator. Okay. We have 198,900 minus 12,200. So our credit purchases now. So credit purchases. It's going to be on the credit side because you credit the giver, you debit the receiver. So credit purchases, it's now 186,700. 186,700. So the next item is return outward. Return outward is going to be on the debit side because the credit supplier has received the goods. So return outward 2,450. Return outward. Returns. That's returns or purchases returns. Returns 2,450. 2,450. Then we move on. We have payments made to supplier. The supplier has received certain amount of money from us, so that is a debit entry. Payments made to supplier 56,900. Payments made to supplier. Payments made. Payments made. 56,900. 56,900. Then we move on. Transfer from debtors ledger to creditors ledger. This is a contra entry. So we have contra entry. We have debtors to ledger, debtors to creditor. Debtors to creditor. Contra. Call it contra entry. Amount is 11,500. 11,500. Then we move move on. We have bills payable accepted. Bills payable accepted. Bills payable. Bills payable. Bills payable 2,100. 2,100. Then we have discount allowed. Discount allowed will be on the credit side, because the supplier is giving it to us. So discount allowed is 3,560. Discount allowed. Discount allowed. 3,005. Discount disallowed. Yeah. Discount disallowed. Discount disallowed. 3,560. 3,560. And we have the creditors ledger balance, which is 31/12/2024 for 4,500 debit. So that's going to be on the credit here. So for 31/12/24, we have balance carried down. Sorry. So we have balance carried down. Balance CD 4,500. 4,500. So we're going to add the debit side. Now, for the creditors control account, the credit side must be greater than the debit side. So our balance carried down will be on the debit side. So we have balance carried down. So we have it. Then we can find the final figure here. And the balance brought down will be here 1,1,1,125. That will be our balance brought down. Balance brought down. Now let's find the figures. So here we have the debit side. Now the credit side we calculate, we have 72,700 plus 186,700 plus 3,560 plus 4,500. So it's 267,460. 267,460. 267,460. Now we calculate this side to get the balance carried down. So we have that. So we have 1,240 plus 2,345 plus 2,450 plus 56,900 plus 11,500 plus 2,100. So we need to do it again. Sorry guys. We have 1,240 plus 2,345 plus 2,450 plus 56,900 plus 11,500 plus 2,100. So we have 76,525. So we have 267,460 minus 76535. That will give us our balance carried down. So we have minus 267,460. So we have 190,925. So our balance carried down here is 195,925. So our balance brought down, this is 1,125, and this is 31/12/24. 1,124, 31/12/24. This will be 1,125. Will be balance brought down 195,925. So that's how to prepare sales ledger control account. Thank you.